beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you guys are all doing fabulous. Here in Colorado, unfortunately, we have a blizzard, and even my husband came home early today because they closed down the building because of the conditions outside. And it looks like our fence also is like crooked now because of the wind, because we have high winds. So I hope you guys are living somewhere tropical and sunny, because here it is cold, raining, snowing, high winds. But then nevertheless, I just went kind of on ramble. I post new videos Monday through Friday, so make sure you guys subscribe because I would love to have you guys here. Today I am sharing an exciting recipe. I just filmed what's in my pantry, so if you guys didn't see that one yet, go ahead and watch that one after this. And then that reminded me, I have to still make a hummus recipe that I said a couple of videos back that I'm going to make. So that is what I have all out here set out. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be putting into my hummus. I'm going to kind of just wing it and see how it goes. I've never made it before, so it should be interesting. It's either going to be bad, which I'll feed it to my husband. He didn't say anything. Or if it's good, then we'll both eat it. But typically that's what happens. So I'm going to be using 1 can of garbanzo beans. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of tahini. I'm going to be using 1.5 lemons. This one's already pre-cut, so I figured I'm just going to use both of them. So 1.5 lemons squeezed. And then I'm going to be using 1 clove of a garlic. This one is an elephant garlic. I've never tried it before, but it's just sitting in our fridge. So that's why it's kind of bigger than the most garlics. And then 1/4 cup of water. And then I'm going to be using some pink Himalayan salt, cumin, as well as paprika, because paprika is one of my favorite seasonings. I love adding that to everything. So, and Otto is barking, of course. If it's not one thing he wants, then he wants another. Earlier he wanted food, and now he wants water. So that is what I'm going to be adding into my hummus. Let me just give him what he wants, and then we'll get started with the recipe. Are you so excited for water? You're so excited? Okay.
Interesting. I think you need to mix it more.
More? Okay.
A little chunky.
Wow. That's interesting. It tastes like straight garbanzo and lemon.
Yeah, all it tastes is lemon.
Do you think I should add something? I added paprika, cumin, and Himalayan salt.
Probably some more salt to kill some of the
lemon.
Lemon. And I don't know what else you would put.
What about garlic powder?
Probably garlic powder might actually be good. Recipe has been completed. I did have to make a little bit of tweaks, which you guys probably already seen, but I feel like the end result actually kind of worked out. I had it with a little bit of crackers, and it actually tasted good, but it tasted like the healthy type of hummus. So, you know, it's worth a shot. However, I wouldn't say this is my final product. I will definitely play around with it more and see how that turns out. But yeah, I just brought my dogs in also because, like I said previously, it's snowing out. We have a blizzard today, and they looked so absolutely cute, covered in snow, and just like, they love the snow. They were just like running around the backyard and things. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody that you find might need some inspiration, some motivation, that might like this content. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.